Hello and welcome to the Presero training series. In this lesson, we will be covering the custom profile fields within the preferences area of the Presero admin. We will begin by logging into the Presero admin with the information provided to you. In order to locate the custom profile fields, you would need to go to Preferences and you will select Custom Profile Fields. In this lesson, you will learn how to create custom profile fields that will display on your customer create account form in the site user admin area and in the site user profile when logged in into the storefront. Also, how to enable or disable a custom profile field for a particular site. About how you can integrate custom profile fields with eDoc Builder, watch our eDoc Builder session for the Admins tab. Let's start with creating a custom profile field. Creating a custom profile field is a two-step process. You would need to go to Preferences, Custom Profile Fields to create the field for your entire Presero instance. Once you have created the custom profile fields at the admin level, then you would need to go to Site, Site Name, User Management, Profile Fields, and from here at the very bottom, you will see all your custom profile fields that can be enabled for the individual sites. Let's look at the first step in more detail. On this page, you will notice the following. At the top, the green Add New button, you will use this to create a new custom profile field. There are search boxes at the top of two columns. These allow you to type in part of the prompt or attribute to quickly find an existing custom profile field. The pencil icon allows you to edit the existing field. There is an included deleted checkbox in the upper right that allow you to view deleted fields in case you need to restore them. To create a new custom profile field, click the green button. You will be brought to the following screen. Fill out the field with the asterisk, then be sure to hit the blue save at the bottom to save your changes and create the field. Let's take a closer look at the fields and their purpose. Prompt. Name your field or give your customer instructions here. You might say enter your referral number or enter your favorite color for the prompt. Attribute. This is used for integration like eDoc Builder and other tools. Keep it descriptive, short, and simple so you can recognize it later. For example, referral, fave color might be good choices to go along with the previous prompts. Field type. This will allow you to define how your customers interact with your custom field. It affects what defaults you can set with the options field. In the field type, there are various options. Text box can hold up to 120 characters. Drop down allow you to select a selection of options that a customer is forced to pick from prevent users from entering typos. Small text box can hold up to 60 characters. Text area. This allows you to up to 1024 characters and the customers can resize the field visually if they need it to be bigger while typing information in. Radio buttons. Appropriate for yes, no, true, false questions or cases when you don't want to use a drop-down list. Calendar. Allow user to select a date from a calendar. Fields type affects what a new customers see. On the Create Account page, all the custom profile fields are tucked under the Additional Information header when you are viewing them on your site or the storefront. This is an example from a storefront customer point of view of four type fields. One is the drop-down list, one is the text area, and this will be tucked under the additional information. Optional fields. These fields may or may not be optional depending on your needs. Include in order details. Checking this will make your custom profile field show up on a customer's order detail for several reports. Options. This area will change depending on what type you select. It would allow you to specify defaults, create a list of choice for drop-down and radio button fields if needed. Please save your changes once you have filled out the form. Remember to save before navigating to another page. Your custom profile field won't be created or updated unless you save. Now let's take a look on how you can enable the custom profile fields. Once you have created a custom profile field to begin with, enabling it for a specific site is the same as editing default profile fields and adding or removing them from a site. In order to enable them on your site, you can go to your site name, user management, profile fields. At the very bottom, you have the ability to enable the custom profile field by clicking on the pencil icon. Put a check mark if you want to have this active on form, and if you want to make it required, just click on it and click on the green icon. Please note, if you have custom profile fields set up on your site, those can be included when doing site users import or export to your site. But only custom profile fields set to show on form on user management profile field will be included on those reports. In order to disable the custom profile field, you can just click on the pencil icon, uncheck this box, and click on the green check. As mentioned above, the process of integrating custom profile field with eDoc Builder could be seen and watched in our eDoc session about the admin tab. This was all about the custom profile fields in Presero. Thank you for watching this video.